Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to place your motor on your Traxxas Stampede XL-5. So you're going to need 3 tools. You're going to need something to take off your wheel with, Allen wrench, and a screwdriver. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take off your wheel. Just put it under to hold it up. And then you're going to take your screwdriver. You're going to take your screwdriver and unscrew this. Then you're going to see this inside. Alright, and then you're going to take your screwdriver again. Or at least I have screws here, but sometimes they come with Allen wrenches. Allen screw things. And you're just going to unscrew this. Then you're going to take this off, and you can pull your motor right out. And your motor's gone. So, then you're going to take your new Traxxas 12-turn 550 motor. And you're going to find the screw holes, line it up, and then screw it back in. Screw that one pretty much all the way. You gotta let a little bit of, you gotta leave it a little loose so you can still move it. That screw stuck in there, that's cool. Fail. Alright. And you gotta find the hole in there. Screw that in pretty much all the way, and then you're going to put this on. Make sure you put it on the flat top right here. There's a flat top, and make sure you put the top where the screw is. The screw is right there, so it will hold like that. And then you're going to take your Allen wrench. You take your Allen wrench. Tighten this. Tighten it down good. Take your screwdriver again, or whatever you have to move this around. You want to push it. Here, I'll show you up close. You want to push your motor thing all the way up to it, so you can only move it just a little bit, like that. Actually, I'm going to move it up a little bit more. So you can only move it very little bit. And then you're going to tighten down these screws. Tighten down this one first so it doesn't move. And then tighten this. And then you're going to take these wires right here and connect the red to the red. And then you're going to connect the black to the black. And then you're going to put your motor case back on, like so. Not let it fall off. And put it on like that. And just grab this, grab your nut to hold on your tire. Sounds weird, but grab your nut. Put it on. Screw it in, and you got your brand new Traxxas motor. And that's all there is to it. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.